Since we have created one of the backdrops for the scratch, we will be just focusing on creating more backdrops so that we are able to use that particular backdrops which are created by us. So how to do it? This was the backdrop that we have already created one. I will be creating one more backdrop. Click on choose a backdrop, go to the paint editor option. As you go to the paint editor option, you will be able to see one of the backdrops coming over there. The first thing is that we have to select any of the light colors. Now this time I'll be just making one of the rectangle. So what I'm doing, I'm selecting a rectangle, a very big rectangle I'll be selecting. Now I'm just focusing on this particular part. Now what I will be doing, I will be making the use of brush tool. I'm increasing the thickness of the brush tool. As you like, you can just increase the thickness and change the color of the brush tool to somewhat blue color and increase the thickness more if you want. What I will be doing, I will be just showing you an effect of some river that is flowing across it. So with the help of this, we are able to just make any type of background as you want. So this was one of the background. Now if you want another background, you can just select any one of the background over here, paintbrush. Now in order to select that particular background, what I'm doing, first I'm selecting the color. This time I will be going for some dark shades color. I'm selecting the brown color. Yes, this is appropriate. I'm selecting a very dark background color. What I'm doing, I'm selecting the rectangle one more time. I'm just making it. And if you want, if you think that the color is too dark, you can just fade out the color. The choice is yours. You can take any of the color. I'm just planning to make a perfect. I think this is the perfect color. Then what I will be doing, I'll be just selecting one of the colors again. I'll be selecting this time a green color part. And what I will be doing, I will be again making a rectangle and I will be drawing the rectangle at the top part of the screen. I'm drawing a rectangle at the top part of the screen. If you want, you can place some stones in between. Now how to go for the stone part? Just select the circle tool, which we have already done in the earlier part. Now with the help of the focus part, give any desired shape. If you want to fill color, you can fill the color over here. Just select any of the random colors which you want and you can place it anywhere on the screen. So this is one of the part. If you want to make some beach effect, how to make the beach effect? Again one more time, paint option. This time I'll be selecting the circle. In order to give the beach effect, I'll be selecting some light colors now. Yes, so what I'm doing, first I'm drawing a circle on the screen. Done. I don't want any of the outline, that is a border color, so I'm selecting the border color as none. So there is none border color over there. Now again select the color, desired color. I'll be selecting this time some blue color background for the sea. Again what I'm doing, I will be selecting the circle and I'm drawing a very big circle. I'm drawing a very big circle on the screen. Now with the help of this particular tool, you can just make it at the extreme corner so that it covers the entire stage area. So in this manner, you can select any of the desired tool which you want. You can give the shape over here also. Just drag it so that it covers the entire screen. In this manner, you are able to create